Hello everyone. In my previous video, you have already seen that how I've installed and configured the Oracle and Oracle packs in my system. It was an easy step, but after that, we need to know how to upgrade that one. So simply you have to go in on this. I will mention it on the description itself, and you can install on which languages you want for the all language or the English language. The all language means if the person opens from Germany or from Dutch or somewhere else. So based on that, the language keeps on changing. And right now we just simply you can say we can download all or English language any way you want. So we just simply go over here. Sorry for that. I think so. My internet is taking time. Yeah, it has come. I've already informed you how to make your account in Oracle and how to do that one. Now we are downloading it. I'm downloading from IDM, so it is taking time of 1 minute, I think so. Let complete and I will resume the video once it get completed. So welcome back. Now it is getting completed. Now before proceeding, I would like to inform you that yeah, these are the standard um, XE represent and Express Edition, which we have already downloaded Oracle database itself. And here is for EE Enterprise Edition. SE resonates with Standard Edition, SE1 Standard Edition Pack 1, and SE2 Standard Edition Pack 2. Okay. Now we simply open up this zip file. Here you can see there is Apex, images, and all the other utilities. Now we simply extract that one in a particular location. See, test underscore video would be fine. Okay, so here all my files goes on over there. So in the meanwhile, we can see the where we have from where we have you can say downloaded the Oracle. Below there only you can see the link over here. Click here. It will redirect to this page. It shows how to upgrade Oracle Apex with Oracle 11G. Remember, my friends, you have already seen that how Oracle looks before upgrading itself. Let me show you again. Here it is 4.0. We are simply migrating the 4.0 to 5.1 to avail more and more feature that responsive feature and the GD charts, the interactive grid reports. There are many of the things which we can do in 5.1, but we cannot do in 4 as we cannot make a multiple interactive reports. There are n numbers of things which Oracle have done from 4 to 5. So you can see you can have a release notes over here, installation guide, patches if you the patches you can see here you are able to see the patches. The need to do a patching and installing a fresh version would be there if you have already installed 5.1 on one system and you need to upgrade it to 5.1.4 means you are not upgrading 5 to 5.1 or 4 to 5, you are just simply upgrading 5.1.4 again. So after point that one, in that particular time, you need to do patching. Else you don't need to do the patching, you need to simply follow the following step which we are going to follow it right now. Okay, so let's go with here. See, and we have downloaded test test video, and here is Apex. Okay, simply go to the command prompt terminal. We have already opened one. We just close and open up with the fresh one. CMD. Okay. cd. We simply go to that path. Okay. And now simply follow up these steps which they are mentioning it. Okay. Here you can able to see that yeah, they are also saying that files download the file and unzip it and do it in the Apex and all. Anywhere you download it, it hardly matters at all. Okay. Now we have to connect to the sysadmin. We will also do that the same. SQL plus slash s sysdb. All right, friends. Let me inform you, this is the only process by which you don't need any sort of password to be remembered. You can directly enter to the database if it is installed in this system itself. But if it is installed the server, then you need to have the full connection string over there. There are lots of things which you need. But if you are accessing from the same system in which database is installed, then you simply write down SQL plus slash s sysdb. It will directly connect you to the server itself. Now, installation, Control C, Control V, that's all. We are now all grants and all those stuffs will be done and all those procedure will be fired and triggers alter tables the required tables indexing and all those stuffs will be done. And I would although we have run that one, but I can show you separately one thing. But I think so that many of the videos you are unable to see that one. Select star from users. Here you can see there are two users over here right now. Apex 40000 and 500. This is because we have started and initiated the Oracle applications to get deployed over here. So this new user has been created just right now only. Earlier it wasn't over here, but as soon as we run the script, the other users also get created over here. Now all the writes will be done from here. If you want to create an ACL or something like that, then you need to go over here. The mails for shooting mails, for accessing different applications, for HTTPS URLs, to hitting all the databases, you can shoot it from the database itself. You don't need any sort of another mode or application server to do so. You simply have to do the ACL configurations and all those stuffs that I will provide you in the another video. So till it get completed, I am just pausing my video. You don't have to do anything. Don't interrupt in between. Don't press Control C, Control V over here, and it will stop all the services and the install. It would be in the mid of the installation, which will affect the software. Okay, let me pause this video. So viewers, you can able to see that it is the time the package has and bodies has been execution time taken place and the development. Now it is time for upgradation. Here is the message now being upgrade. This will take several minutes. So of course, this will need as patience for you, and you need to leave your system and go for a tea break or something like that. But till now, for you, if as I know you are using your data pack, so I don't want to waste your data pack. So I'm simply pausing this video until and unless it gets us completed. So welcome back users. So here you can able to see that Oracle has provided all these things and all these stuffs. Here you can see that it is providing you host, port, PLS, Apex, Apex admin for Oracle HTTP server with mode PLSQL, which I have already provided you. Mode PLSQL server has been already disabled by Oracle for 12C, but for 11G it is working right now also. If you are using XMLDB, in our case it is yes, then you have to just write host port, which is localhost in my term, or if you want to okay, let me provide you one more way how we can access it from for means you can make an application over here and how other users can access that one. Okay, I will provide you that also in this video only. So first of all, let me see Apex admin. It's the same one where you can open all the other stuffs, internal and all those stuffs, XMLDB, REST data services, and all the installation. After the completion of installation, it just simply come out. Okay, so to do so, we have to again, let's check it on the server side itself. I know I should provide all the things over there only. So log back into SQL Plus as above, which we are doing. Here also it is mentioned the same thing. I have opened the screen just to inform you that yeah, all the steps we are following the same as it is mentioned. We are not doing something else. Okay, so embed PLSQL gateway. Now it only want Apex images files where we have already placed that one. Okay, so we placed, copy, paste. In our terms, it is C test video Apex images. It just wants its images files where it has been kept. You simply have to provide a space, paste, enter. Uh-huh. It is a little bit confusion. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. Here you can see it is saying loading images directory C test video Apex images Apex image. Means we don't have to provide Apex and images path now. We just have to provide till test video and it will automatically pick up the rest of the path. SQL plus SSJBA and here we go till the test video. Now we just run it. Now the files are going correctly. It is Apex, images, and all those stuffs. Now images will start getting loading in the database itself. You have to wait for certain minutes to let it get completed. So, hello, welcome back everyone. So here you can see that it took around 4 minutes 5 seconds and 5.38 seconds to load all the images. And here we have opened the older view of Oracle Apex. Now, let's see what it has been done after upgradation. And we have missed one more point over here, that is at the rate Apex CSPWD. Remember, friends, if you want to reset your admin password, then only please use in the future, else avoid it. But right now, if we are doing first time, we need to have this password. So here is the administration username. It is admin. You can simply press enter rather than writing any of the name. It will defaultly take admin. And now email address. Right now we can provide any of the email address will work as it will take the validation. That's why we are providing that one. Now the password. So we have provided the password validation failure. Okay, password from complexity rules. All right. There are some certain complexity rules you should the password has to be maintained for. So let me do something else. I'm providing this as the password, okay? So I should run it again. Then email ID. Now it is done. So congratulations, this is the new view of Oracle Apex. We have already seen that one. So first of all, let me see what happens to my older application which I have already made in the earlier version. Okay, this was my older application. So it seems like it doesn't get any affected over here. If I have upgraded my Oracle Apex to 5 or 5.1, this is my older version applications and it is working absolutely fine with my older view only. But if I create now new version of application, then what it would happen? Here we can just simply next or just create application for the same add pages. All those stuffs are same, but here just we have the option in the starting only just create the application and all. If they want the default date format and all those stuffs, for that we need to do so. We can have a separate session for that in which we can provide you Oracle Apex training. So here's warning. Here it come. Here is a new version, new view of Oracle Apex in which we have already have the slide slider, logout and all the other stuffs. Now what happens to the development part? So here the Oracle has modified its best view, I should say, that he has provided you all the drag and drop functionality means user can just go and create any region over here. Simply drag drop that region into any place he want. He can move it to the any block he want, and we are also providing this is a new version of Oracle Apex. Okay, 5 I should say. Okay, we just save it, run it. Here we can see all the stuffs we are doing right now. All right, friend, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a great day.